So again, what are some of these advantages of having more cameras, 3 or more? You can achieve definitely a more professional look, maintain audience interest by switching in and out, so on and so forth. You can help your audience focus on points of interest, like kind of what we're doing right now with the screen. And you could have a backup camera in case one craps the bed or something like that. Bam, look, you still have 2 cameras working. It's not the end of the world. And it also allows you to access more options to reintroduce and repackage production in post. You have more options. They were there. So if something bad happened live, like it's happened with us a few times, having multiple cameras has allowed us to go back in and fix it. Now, sports and outdoor fields, this is where things get a little bit more technical because you're outside, you're battling the elements. It could be bright and sunny one minute and then suddenly a torrential downpour the next. But it's essentially the same exact layout as the basketball one. Again, pretty much the same layout. Camera 1, a wide, capturing everything. You can pan left and right, tilt up and down. Camera 1, mainly focused over here. That's camera 2. Camera 3, focused over here, and it can also pan up and down to get a little more close-up shots. Whoop, close-up shots there. And then your bonus cam again, perhaps focus it, on the goals themselves, get some reaction shots of players and stuff like that. Basically the same layout as your basketball one.